am a big fan of Reservation hardware. I heard they opened a restaurant in Napa Valley, so I decided to stop by and have a chic dinner. It was a unique food, wine, art, and design experience located in the heart of Napa Valley.
Hey, we are at the restaurant. We got the char grill set with a roti and luncheon.
It features an ingredient-driven menu accompanied by a curated selection of artisanal wines and craft beers. You can also explore a boutique design gallery showcasing artistic installations of RH interiors and RH modern collections. Overall, it was an enjoyable dining experience in such an elegant garden setting with soaring glass roof, chandeliers, and classical fountains. It gets super busy at dinner time, so I highly recommend you make a reservation.